The morning is quiet, the tools are laid down. A heavy silence echoes through the town. The syndicate gathers, Yalarawa, missing their brother today and tomorrow. From the coverboard stories to the long years of sweat, you're an Itokani we will never forget. Oh, but your greatest Yao, the pride of your life, is the lullaby you left to carry through the strife. For Mary and Tiana, he's too gone Yalewa. He's the light on the reef, the calm in the weather. Though July 11 brought the windy mata, he's resting in peace in the lagi-lagi hereafter. He's a tata, you reach the shore, where the zero shines forevermore. Mary and Tiana, hold on to the grace until you see again your tata's face. From the Galada to the deep of the blue, his Loloma is a current that carries you through. Motemada to a man so true. The syndicate brothers are saluting you. No more Voturi, no more strife, just the Tovo